What if I told you that most people spend years in the gym doing dozens of different exercises, yet they still don't build the muscular physique they want? Meanwhile, some lifters seem to grow faster while doing fewer movements. So what's the secret? Is it a special workout program, elite genetics, expensive supplements? Not exactly. In fact, if your goal is simply to build as much muscle as possible, there are only 5 exercises that give you the majority of the results. But here's the catch. Most people perform these exercises incorrectly and leave huge amounts of muscle growth on the table. Today, you'll learn exactly what those 5 exercises are and, more importantly, how to perform them the right way. Let's start with the king of lower body muscle builders, the squat. Walk into any gym and you'll see people squatting, but are they actually growing as much muscle as they could? Many lifters make the same mistake. They focus entirely on moving the weight up and down while forgetting what their body is doing. Their knees cave inward, their heels lift off the floor, their torso collapses forward. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on a shaky foundation. That's exactly what happens when your squat setup is unstable. Here's the fix. Before you descend, plant your feet firmly into the floor. Think about spreading the ground apart with your feet. Keep your chest proud and your core tight. As you lower yourself, your hips and knees should bend together. Then drive through the middle of your foot as you stand. Simple adjustment, massive difference. The squat isn't just a leg exercise. Done properly, it's a full body tension exercise. Now let's move to the most popular upper body exercise in the world, the bench press. Everyone wants a bigger chest, but many people turn the bench press into a shoulder exercise without realizing it. Ever feel your shoulders working harder than your chest? That's your first clue. Most lifters lie flat and immediately start pressing. Instead, create a stable platform first. Pull your shoulder blades together and down. Think about pinching a pencil between them. This creates a stronger base and puts the chest in a better position to work. As the bar lowers, aim towards your lower chest, then press upward while keeping your shoulders packed. Suddenly, the movement feels completely different. Same exercise, better muscle stimulation. If you could choose only one exercise for building an impressive back, the pull-up would be near the top of the list. But here's where most people go wrong. They pull with their arms, not their back. Picture yourself trying to close a heavy door. Would you only use your hands? Of course not. You'd use your entire body. Before bending your elbows, think about pulling your shoulders down, then drive your elbows towards your ribs. That small mental cue changes everything. Focus on making your back do the work. Master these 5 exercises, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how much muscle you can build. The people who grow the fastest aren't always the ones who train the hardest. They're usually the ones who train the smartest.